After nearly 30 years as a nurse and too many evenings away from home, I found a way to build income online. So here's a 5-part series for career moms in their 50s or older who are done with waiting for retirement to finally start living the life that they actually want. Here's what we're covering: why the traditional model is keeping us stuck and what the path out actually looks like. In video 2, I'm going to walk you through why most alternative online income ideas don't work, but what makes this online business model that I'm in different, both structurally and in your heart. Number 3, I'm going to show you what building this kind of business actually looks like in practice and how you can do it in the free packets of a full day. In video 4, I'm going to introduce you to the community behind our business, our proven business of over 60,000 people with real documented results so that you can see exactly what's possible. And in video 5, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get started and what this model gives you that most opportunities never will. So subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss a single video. For me, after 30 years as a nurse, I realized working harder and longer was never going to give me more time with my family. And this changed the way I looked at everything. I didn't want to work until I was in my 60s. And not because I didn't enjoy my work or was dedicated to my job, because the model itself is the problem. And once I saw that clearly, everything else became obvious to me. It was never designed to give us both. The traditional income model, you're trading hours for a paycheck. That's the way it's been for so long. And it has a built-in ceiling. There's only so far you can go. You can earn more only by giving more time. And more time at work means less time at home. Less time at home means missing those special moments that actually matter. I didn't want to miss anymore. We're all taught the importance of a career, and I don't discourage that at all. I have no regrets becoming a nurse. It has allowed me to help so many people and to advise many friends and family, which I hope help them in some way. But the system was designed to give you money or time, never both. So finding something that can bridge between those two factors can be life-changing. And I found it. Even with a solid income, most career moms find themselves in the same cycle. You get paid, you pay bills. The things that you actually want to do for yourself and for your family, they keep getting pushed back. Like maybe that second vacation, visiting somewhere new, or seeing our grandparents more often than we're able to. The ability to say yes without having to check our bank account all the time. It's not a spending problem, it's an income problem. The single income stream, no matter how reliable, it has a ceiling that most families live under their entire working lives. And then most career moms in their 50s are worrying about retirement that they never talk about very much. Not because they haven't worked hard, they're working towards the retirement, but because today's economy is rising above our retirement plans. Will we have enough when we can actually retire in our mid-60s? Having a second income stream working for you in the background doesn't just help you today, it builds toward a future that you're actively shaping instead of one that you're hoping is going to work out. It's having a passive recurring income while you get to enjoy life. Here's what can change when you add a second income stream that doesn't require more of your time. That ceiling disappears. You're no longer trading hours for money. Your income runs on the system that works while you're living your life. You have more breathing room in that budget. You have more ability to say yes to those moments that matter. And over time, more choice about how much of your time actually goes to your job and how much more you can give to your family. That's what it's all about. An online business built on digital products fits around your full-time life in a way that most income models don't. Because there's no inventory, there's no physical space, there's no second job that takes you away from home with more hours. Because the products are digital. You can do it from home. The system is automated and the work happens in the pockets of your free time around your current job and around your current life. And when the model is proven, with real products, 100% commission on the sale of them, real support, and thousands of results from people that are making this work, the learning curve is much more manageable because you're not reinventing the wheel. It's already been proven. Even if you've never worked online before and are starting from zero experience, you're learning from like-minded entrepreneurs that are seeing results. So you're never on your own. There's always somebody there to help you, and your mentor is there daily to support you. So just to recap what we've touched on today, the reason that you feel sometimes something is missing is because it is. It's that choice to live life on your own terms. One income stream with a fixed ceiling almost always feels tight. And having a business model that can open up multiple income streams, built on automation and with proven in-demand digital products, where members are earning 4 to 5 figure incomes a month, changes that math entirely. And that's what this series is going to show you. In my next video coming up very soon, it covers why most alternative income ideas don't actually solve the problem, but what makes this model different. Subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss it and you'll get a notification. In the meantime, everything you need to start is in the description below. Whether you want to start learning with my free guide or you're ready to take a look at the business model itself. My no confusion starter checklist is below. If working online is still new to you and you want to understand how it actually works, just grab the free guide in the description below. It'll only take you about 10 minutes. It's completely free. There's a short video at the top of the guide where I walk you through. It's a perfect starter point for anybody who has no understanding of working online. If you have some knowledge about the online world and how it works, and you're ready to take a deeper look into my actual business model, the Freedom Formula Blueprint is also in the description. There's no commitment, just information to see if this model is a fit for you. It gives you all the details about the various programs, how the commissions work, and how to get started. If you're ready now, don't wait for the next video. Just click the links in the description below. Hope to see you in my next video coming up soon.